obviously you're leveling off a little high. Well, let me know.
Hey, firm. I'll give you a countdown from about 50 feet.
Okay.
One knot.
Very good, jettison. Jettison.
Jettison. Jettison now, 74.
Your aft tires are blowing and they're both burning, but not very badly. You've got 3 fire trucks with you.
A locked brake caused the 2 rear tires of the left-hand main landing gear to blow out. The pilot and co-pilot heard the tires blow out, but were unaware of any damage and had no difficulty in bringing the plane to a perfect straight-line stop. A first-hand report on how the flight went was given to the press by Warren Swanson and Al White of North American, Brigadier General Irving L. Branch, commander of Edwards Air Force Base, Colonel Joe Cotton, the project pilot, and Colonel Marion Akers, program director of the B-70 Systems Project Office.
Here, Brett, would you like to go ahead and give some introduction remarks?